Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful half up, half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to pop the hair into a side parting, section off a small slice of hair from the bottom of the head and clip the rest out of the way. And we're just going to take small sections, wrap these around the curler, making sure that we keep the hair flat to the curler. Moving on to the next section, take another small slice of hair, but this time we're going to wrap it around the curler in the opposite direction. Continue curling in this way until you have all of the hair curled. Run your fingers through the hair to break up those curls. Now we're going to section off the front of the hair, so take your comb from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. I've added a little bit of texture spray to the roots of the crown. This step is completely optional, so if you don't want to back comb the hair, feel free to leave this out. All the products I've used I'll pop in my description box below. Next, I'm taking thin slices of hair, holding them up and then just giving the roots a back comb. And I've just repeated this all across the crown of the head. Once you've finished back combing, just flip everything back over and use the tail end of your comb just to hide any back combing. And all we're going to do is gather that back combed area and use the tip of your comb just to smooth out the top layer. And then just pop it into a small clear elastic band. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at the crown just to give it a little bit more messy volume. Release those front sections on both sides. Taking the side with the least hair, we're just going to section out a few face framing layers, and then we're going to smooth out that section with a comb and bring it around to the back of the head. Pin this to the left hand side of that little ponytail using a bobby pin, and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull so the texture matches the top. And then we're just going to repeat it on the opposite side, so leave a few face framing layers out, bring the hair to the back of the head, and then just pin it to the right hand side of that ponytail. Pinch and pull at the hair so it matches the top. Now we're going to use some of these split pins. And we're just going to start by taking a small slice of hair from the middle of the head, smooth it down with a comb, and then all we're going to do is simply wrap it around our fingers, and then we're just going to slip it off our fingers and push it towards the head, using our pins to anchor it on both sides. Apply a little hairspray to stop any flyaways. And we're just going to repeat the same process again, but this time we're going to go slightly to the right hand side of the head. So take a small section, smooth it out and wrap it around your fingers. Now slip it off your fingers and push it towards the head. I've made sure mine are going in opposite directions. And add a bit of hairspray, and then on the last section we're just going to take it slightly to the left hand side, smooth out your section, wrap it around your fingers, slip them off and push it towards the head, making sure the curl's going in the opposite direction, and then just secure down with a few more pins. Finish off with a little more hairspray. and here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.